If you're using Windows 11 and you're not using Microsoft PowerToys yet, you're seriously missing out. Today, I'll show you what Microsoft PowerToys is, the coolest features you'll actually use, and exactly how to install it on Windows 11. Let's jump in. So what exactly is Microsoft PowerToys? Microsoft PowerToys is a free utility tool created by Microsoft that adds powerful productivity features to Windows. It's basically a toolkit for power users, but honestly, anyone can use it. And the best part? It works perfectly on Windows 11. How to install PowerToys on Windows 11. All right, let's install it. Method 1, Microsoft Store, the easiest way. Click the Start menu, open Microsoft Store, search for PowerToys, click Install, done. That's it. Method 2, from GitHub, manual download. You can also download it from GitHub if you prefer. Open your browser, go to the official PowerToys GitHub page, download the latest installer, run the .exe file, follow the setup instructions, and you're good to go. Section 2, best features you'll love. Let me quickly show you some of the best features. FancyZones, create custom window layouts, perfect if you multitask a lot. To access FancyZones, open PowerToys from your Start menu. Click on FancyZones in the sidebar. Turn it on. You'll see preset layouts like focus, columns, rows, grid, priority grid. You can double-click to choose a preset, or click Create New Layout. Now the magic part. Hold the Shift key and drag any window. You'll see your custom zones appear. Drop the window into any zone and it snaps perfectly. No resizing, no adjusting, no guessing. It's instant. PowerRename, bulk rename files instantly. Now go to any folder. Select multiple files. Right-click, click Rename with PowerRename. A new window opens with a preview panel. This is the best part. You'll see original file names, new file names, live preview. Click Apply and Close. Done. Image Resizer. Resize multiple images in seconds. Open PowerToys. Click Image Resizer in the sidebar. Make sure it's toggled on. That's it. No extra setup needed. Now go to any folder with images. Select one image or select multiple images. Right-click, click Resize with Image Resizer. A small window pops up with size options. You'll see preset sizes like small, medium, large, phone. Or you can click Custom and enter your own dimensions. Click Resize, and it's done instantly. If you work with images regularly, this saves serious time. Always on top. Pin any window so it stays above everything else. Click Always on Top in the sidebar. Toggle it on. You'll see the default shortcut, Windows key plus Control plus T. You can change it if you want. Now open any window. Click on the window you want pinned. Press Windows plus Control plus T. You'll see a small highlight border around the window. That means it's pinned. Now, no matter what you open, that window stays on top. Press the shortcut again to unpin it. And PowerToys Run, a supercharged search tool that feels like Spotlight on Mac. Click PowerToys Run in the sidebar. Make sure it's toggled on. You'll see the default shortcut, Alt plus space. You can change it if you want. Press Alt plus space. A small search bar pops up in the center of your screen. Start typing. Type the name of a file. If it's indexed, it shows up instantly. You can open it directly from there. No start menu, no clicking around.
Here's something cool. Press Alt plus space and type 245 minus 32. It calculates instantly. Press Enter to copy the result. You don't even need to open Calculator.
That's it. Microsoft PowerToys is one of the best free tools you can add to Windows 11. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments which Microsoft PowerToys feature is your favorite. See you in the next one.